Hi, today I will show you all how I engraved my chrome-plated, brass, Zippo lighter. This is the before, and now the finished item. Keep watching as I show from start to finish how this was done using the Ortur Laser Master 3 light. First, I spray the area to be engraved with 99% zinc spray. I find this gives me the best results on metal and glass. Okay, now on to LightBurn. Import your image, any image you like. Now, I draw a box using the T2 tool pen. I will use this to remove any extra area of my image. Make sure not to cover any parts of the image that you want to keep. Now, select both items, right-click on the image and scroll down to Apply Mask to Image and click on it. After you are happy with the image area, select both items again, right-click on the image, scroll down to Flatten Image Mask and click on it. This has now cropped the image, as I know that my image has to be 30 millimeters wide, so I will correct the size here. Now we have to make sure that our image is centered. In the drop-down menu, click on Move to Page Center. Okay, time for setting our parameters. For speed I will use 500 millimeters per minute, and power is 100%. My DPI is 317 and I find that 45-degree angle works best for low image detail engraving. My image mode is set to dither. We now go to adjust the image. Here I will just change contrast, gamma, and add a bit of sharpening. Don't forget to double check everything before closing this window. Let's do a preview. Now we can see how long the burn will take. Also we can check that we are moving at a 45-degree angle. Last check for centering, then hit the frame button to check that all is okay. Take the focus arm down and adjust the laser to just touch the surface of your material. Please note that I'm using the Z height adjuster from Ortur. It's the best add-on for your money. Okay, so now we wait 17 minutes and 36 seconds. Okay, we are all done. Well, it looks horrible, but let's clean it up to see the magic. Well, after a bit more cleaning with a magic eraser, it looks much better now. Hey, can you hear my fingernail scratching the steel? It will not come off, and that's for sure. Okay, many thanks for watching. So if you enjoyed this short video, please give a like or even subscribe. It will help me to make better videos for you, my audience.